Okay, so we're starting with towel squeezes. You're gonna grab a towel or like a piece of the sheet, squeeze as hard as you can for about 5 seconds, and then relax. You can go through that as many times as you can. Usually it's gonna be about 5 to 10. Squeeze, relax, squeeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. Do as many of those as you can. Remove the towel. We're going to move on to wrist circles. You're trying to make a big circle with your wrist. You can have your hand flat like this or in a fist. It doesn't really matter. You can also practice just lifting it up and down. Get your wrist moving about 10 or 20 times. Then you're going to work on your elbow. So I want it to get all the way straight. You can use your other arm to support it. And bend it as much as you can, and then straighten it all the way out. The straightening out at the end is really important so it doesn't get too stiff. You're gonna do 5 or 10 of those as well. Then I'm gonna have you scoot down in the bed or lay the bed flat so that you can lift your arm all the way up. And this is where you're gonna have to be far enough down that you can lift it all the way up, relax it at the top, get a little bit of a stretch, and then bring it all the way back down. All the way up, get a stretch, and all the way back down. Those are your upper body exercises. While you're scooted down, you can go through your 2 bed flat exercises, which are your bridge. Hands are here to support for your balance. Try to push through both legs to lift your hips up. Come back down. You're going to do as many of these as you can. And then you're going to work on rolling to your left side. So you're going to straighten your left leg, push with your right leg, and reach your right arm across to roll as far as you can onto your side. And then roll back. I want you to do these throughout your day, but especially rolling to the left side to help you rebuild that coordination of arm and leg working together. You're going to go through a few of these. Then you can sit the bed back up to do your other leg exercises. So we have the ankle lift. This one at first isn't going to look like this, right? You're going to focus on try to lift, and use your other foot to help it lift. Once it's up, really think about this muscle right here. Try to turn this on while you let that go and see if you can keep it from going all the way down. I'm going to go through a couple of these, really practicing, trying to lift the ankle and lower it. We're going to try and get that muscle to start doing this all on its own. Then you've got your heel slide. You're going to bend your knee. You can keep your heel flat. I really want you to focus on trying to keep the knee in line. It's going to kind of get crazy at first and really want to go out to the side. Try to keep it focused and coordinated. So we're going to rebuild most of your leg strength with your bridges and standing, but this is for coordination. Your last one's the hardest. You remember, you're going to try and lift your whole leg off the bed, going about as high as you can, and then come back down. Remember, this one might look like, and that's okay. This is about building from where you're at. Lift up, set it back down. That's a whole cycle of your exercises. I want you to do as many of these as you can without getting super sore, crampy, or really, really tired. So some of them you'll be doing 25, 30, and some of them you'll be doing 1, and that's perfectly fine.